Alrighty, my friends, welcome back. This video is me leaving the course and showing you how I get back to my casa. So I'm exiting the course. This is where I normally come in. Watch out, there's a pretty steep little drop right there. So this first part, little run, is when you leave the trail, you got grass. Grass is over, never stays. Maybe I need to come out here, make a trail, but right now it's all grassed over, so I got to run through it. It's a good little workout. If you're old like me, you can appreciate it. If you're young, then it just slows you down. All right, so again, thank you for watching. Just to inform you, I am not a professional, but I do play one on TV. So please, 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 I advise you, do not listen to anything I have to say. I have no clue what I'm talking about at all. Half the time I'm making stuff up, but it sounds good because I know how to talk. So I make it sound like I do know what I'm talking about, but I'm really not. All right, here we go. Riding along the creek right here. Look how pretty that is. Over here is the neighborhood right through there. And then we got the golf course. So once we get to the golf course up here, my friends, we need total silence. You don't want to talk. You don't want to interfere with anybody's golf game. But it doesn't look like anybody's out here, so maybe we can just keep yapping. Yes, we can. All right. No one is out here, so I'm gonna keep talking. And there it is. That's the end of the grass part. And now we got is a little fire road. And let me see. Put it on my Apple Watch so I can see how long it is. And all right, ready? Here we go. So now we're gonna ride the fire road along the golf course, and it's gonna get us back to the front to where the neighborhood is. And it's a nice little run along the creek here. It's pretty scenic. Not only do you have the golf course on your left, but you got the creek and birds over on the right. Let's see how good this guy did. Oh man, not bad at all, sir. Not bad at all. Man, these golfers, you got to give them respect. These golf courses out here are humongous. And this is in my neighborhood. We're in the Fall Creek subdivision over in Humble, Texas. And running along the creek right here, and we got the golf course over here. And this is my exit, my way home from my trail. Nice little run along here, and just gonna give you a little tour of the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Welcome, my friends. So, man, I could continue talking about my bike here. It's the Vitus Mythique VRX. Man, my biggest complaints, the seat. I had to change that sucker out. I put in a WTB Volt seat, and it is awesome. I want to change the grips out. I still have the Vitus grips on there, but I feel bad taking those off because I never even used them. So I'm giving them a go run, but I think I'm going to throw some race face or some ODIs on there because I do not like these. All right, next thing, the fork. So on my last bike, I had an entry-level RockShox, and man, this Maruzuchi Bomber is way better. It's like floating on a Cadillac. All right, and then on the other bike I had, which was the Go Slammer, that one had a RockShox on the back, deluxe, and this one's got the Monarch, and man, it just floats. So I do love the rear shock as well, but the main reason I like this bike is the Dior SLX drivetrain, and I wanted Shimano brakes. I had Tektro on a Moto.com bike I had before, and on my last one, the Go Slammer, I had the 201s, and I was super happy with those. In comparison to these 501s, man, these things, they're super sensitive, man. You can barely tap them and they start braking for you. So I don't even keep my fingers on the brakes because they work awesome. And here in Texas, we don't need them that bad because everything is just flats. A few hills here and there, but no major descents. You don't have enough time to get enough speed to need your brakes. All right. Pedals, I'm using the Stamp One pedals, of course. I had some Rock Bros on a Mongoose bike that I had, a fat tire bike. and I wasn't happy with those. I ended up getting the Chesters for another bike I had, which was an e-bike, and I sold that e-bike. But I wasn't happy with the Chesters. I felt like they didn't get as good grip as these Stamp 1s. And I used the Stamp 1s with, uh-oh, look at the coyote. Hey, come on, boy. Come on. These dogs out here. Maybe I'll make a stop and see if that dog belongs to someone. Oh, he's not gonna stop. All right. Hey, buddy, you're lost. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Do you belong to someone? Oh, there's no collar. Man, he looks wet. Oh, I'm not going to chase him on the golf course. All right. All right, buddy, come follow me. There he goes. All right, he's going back towards the neighborhood. There you go, buddy. Go that way. All right. All right, so this is a ride back. We're supposed to be quiet. We're on the golf course. No one's supposed to be yapping out here. All right. So this fire road right now, it's about a mile. We're at 0.92 miles. So it looks like it's about a mile fire road to get from the trail to the edge of the golf course, and then from here it's about a half mile to the neighborhood. All right, now we got to cut through the golf course. So this is the part where we're supposed to be quiet. So we got golfers golfing over here. Oh, sorry about the wind noise, my friends. Can't control the wind. It's not one of my superpowers. All right, and a little bit of a climb here. And back through here. And now we're back on the service road, and this is the service road for the golf course. So that little bitty chunk was the only part that we actually get up onto the driving path of the golf course. And we don't stay on long. All right, here you go. Got the end of the creek over here. And this is our retention pond for the neighborhood. So that's got about a mile and a half of dirt loop that goes around that. It's all flat. But if you like riding outdoors, you can ride right there. And there's another one, let me give you a better view. There's another one that's very similar to this on the other side of our neighborhood. There's our neighborhood over there. And this is the Houston golf course. So in between the golf course and our neighborhood is their parking lot, which they use for their major events. And that's what we're about to cut through right now. Over here we got a bird watching stations. They come out over by this retention pond because there's a lot of bird watching over here, I guess. Who does it? I don't know. I don't know who watches birds because we're in Texas, so most of the people out here that watch birds are hunting them. I don't even know why they built that. Hey, but who am I to complain? It's not my money. All right. And here's the golf course over here. Got some people that parked over here. They sometimes come over here and smoke their Marahoochie. There it is. All right. Watch out for that sand, slippery. No one's in there. They probably went for a walk. Went to go walk. Maybe they're the bird watchers. Those people, right? Nope. They're over there flying an airplane, or seaplane. All right, never mind. They're flying an RC plane over there. All right, we don't have time to stop because I got to go to work. All right, so here's the end of the fire road. So all in all, I'm at 1.63 miles from the trail to almost the entrance of our neighborhood. Yeah, we got a little ballpark at the back of our neighborhood that has 2 baseball diamonds, and it's got 3 soccer fields. And around that is a sidewalk trail for people to walk and hike. So not a lot of people use this fire road for walking. Oh, there's somebody out there. You can see them way out there walking on the other side of the retention pond. They're doing that big loop, which is like 1.5 miles, 2 miles. All right. Cutting back through here. All right, 1.88 miles. Oh man, we need to cut grass. Might be snakes. Stay away from those. And here we are, my friends, back at the back of our neighborhood. And, oi, 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 oi. And this is where I live, and this is where the park is, and there's my house. There it is right there.